Welcome to another trigonometry question. Here we want to prove an identity and then use this information to solve an equation. You may like to pause the video first and then try to solve it yourself. Let's get on with the solution. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and turning on your notifications. To solve this problem, we need the compound formula for tangent and the quadratic formula. What we did here was replace tan 2 theta with 2 tan theta on 1 minus tan squared theta. And here we replace tan theta plus 45 with tan theta plus tan 45 on 1 minus tan theta tan 45. Multiply by 3 here and multiply this term with the conjugate of 1 minus tan theta. Now we'll expand out. After expansion, we find 1 minus tan theta times 1 plus tan theta, which is the difference of squares, becomes 1 minus tan squared theta. And you can see now we have a common denominator, and we can convert this into one fraction. In the top line, we have 6 tan theta plus tan squared theta plus 2 tan theta plus 1, and we just simplify that. So we'll have tan squared theta plus 8 tan theta plus 1 and 1 minus tan squared theta, which is our required answer for this section. We will now solve this given equation. We want to solve 3 tan 2 theta plus tan theta plus 45 equals 4. What we'll do now is replace the left side of this equation with our result from the first section. So we have tan squared theta plus 8 tan theta plus 1 on 1 minus tan squared theta equals 4. Now we multiply both sides by 1 minus tan squared theta. On the right side, we multiply 4 inside the bracket. So we get 4 minus 4 tan squared theta here. This will give us a quadratic equation in tan. So we have 5 tan squared theta plus 8 tan theta minus 3 equals 0. To simplify the calculation, we'll let u equal tan theta. So we have 5u squared plus 8u minus 3 equals 0. And we'll use the quadratic formula to solve this because it can't be factorized. After calculation, we get u equal negative 1.914 and 0.313. Because we let u equal tan theta, we can then write tan theta equals negative 1.914 and tan theta equals 0.313. To find theta, we'll calculate the basic angle for both of these. Also note, we're only interested in angles in quadrant 1 and 2. So that is angles between 0 and 180 degrees. First, let tan alpha equal 1.914. And by calculation, alpha will be 62.41. This is our first basic angle. Now let tan alpha equal 0.313. Alpha here then will be 17.38 degrees. In our first case, tan here is negative. So we know the angle goes into the second quadrant because tan theta here is negative. In this case, tan theta is 0.313. Tan is positive. So tan must be in the first quadrant here. Tan is positive in this quadrant. Our first result then is theta equals 117.59 degrees. And our second result, theta is 17.38 degrees. So our two final solutions are theta equals 17.38 degrees and 117.59 degrees. Thanks for watching.